Oh, don't worry, there's plenty in here. Just because I'm not knocking out doesn't mean that there's not plenty in here. But you keep doing it, that sound. Wow, it's only raining right in that one particular spot. Oh, wow, they're just pouring it right out their window. See how the rest of the window is dry? Except for that section right there. You see that? You can actually see the gas on camera. Look at that. Because of that light. Oh yeah, there's a ton of gas in here. Without a doubt. Anybody could actually, that knows anything about gas, would actually be able to see that pretty clearly. That movement is coming from the inside of the room. And they're dripping it all along that window. Just that section, which would be right where they can from their bedroom.